Among China's 8 legendary cuisines, one stands out as the ultimate Chinese version of French fine dining, Cantonese cuisine. It masters the perfect balance of lightness, freshness, tenderness, smoothness, and crispness, delicate yet never bland, refined and so incredibly flavorful. Today, let's head southeast to the coast of Guangdong and step into the world of Cantonese cuisine. Cantonese cuisine owes its existence to this incredibly blessed land. Lingnan sits by the sea, providing the freshest seafood year-round: fish, shrimp, and shellfish pulled straight from the water. Inland, fertile soil yields crisp vegetables and free-range poultry. The warm, humid climate ensures top-quality ingredients are always in season. Long ago, people from central China migrated south to Lingnan, bringing advanced cooking techniques with them. These merged with local food traditions over time, eventually giving birth to Cantonese cuisine. Unlike many other Chinese cuisines that rely on heavy spice or intense saltiness, Cantonese cooking has always followed one simple philosophy: if the ingredients are excellent, the dish will be excellent. This is what makes it truly special. Cantonese cuisine isn't just one style, it's actually 3 distinct traditions combined. Guangfu cuisine is what most people mean when they say Cantonese. It's known for clear, nourishing soups and crispy roasted goose. The hallmark is lightness, tenderness, and silky textures. Teochew cuisine comes from the coastal region, so it excels at seafood. Their beef meatballs are so bouncy you could practically play ping pong with them. They also have bold dishes like raw marinated crab, intense at first, but unforgettable once you try it. Hakka cuisine was created by northern migrants who settled here centuries ago. It has slightly stronger flavors. Signature dishes include stuffed tofu and salt-baked chicken. So, what's the standout feature of Cantonese cuisine? The answer is simple: freshness. Cantonese chefs are almost obsessive about ingredient quality. Vegetables must be picked the same day, fish and shrimp go into the pot while still alive, and meat is cooked as soon as it's butchered. The shorter the journey from farm or sea to table, the better, because the goal is to capture the ingredient's purest flavor. Cantonese cooking also uses very little heavy seasoning. You won't find lots of chili, Sichuan pepper, oil, or salt. Instead, chefs rely on simple aromatics like ginger, scallions, light soy sauce, and oyster sauce. The point isn't to overpower the food, but to highlight the natural sweetness and freshness of the ingredients. This is the magic behind the saying, "clear but not bland, fresh but never ordinary." The result is light, clean, and never greasy, easy for everyone from kids to grandparents to enjoy. Now, let's look at some of the most foreigner-friendly and classic Cantonese dishes. Each one perfectly showcases the charm of this cuisine. 1. White-cut chicken. Called the face of Cantonese cuisine, it's incredibly simple. The chicken is gently poached in water with no heavy seasoning. It celebrates the pure, tender texture and natural flavor of the chicken. A dip in ginger scallion sauce is all it needs to become unforgettable. 2. Cantonese yum cha. This is the most vibrant, everyday expression of Cantonese food culture. Delicate little steamed baskets arrive at the table filled with treasures: plump shrimp dumplings, tender braised chicken feet, and more. In Guangdong, friends and family gather in the morning to sip tea, enjoy dim sum, and savor life slowly, a uniquely relaxed Cantonese lifestyle. 3. Steamed fish. Nothing represents freshness better than this. A just-caught fish is simply steamed, preserving its pure oceanic sweetness and silky texture with zero fishy smell. 4. Crispy roasted goose. The skin shatters like a potato chip, while the thin layer of fat underneath keeps the meat incredibly juicy. Paired with tangy plum sauce, it's rich but never heavy. Of course, there are many more gems worth trying: sweet and sour pork, stir-fried beef chow fun, wonton noodle soup, char siu, and beyond. Today, Cantonese cuisine has traveled far beyond China. You can find authentic Cantonese restaurants in Chinatowns all over the world. For many foreigners, their very first love affair with Chinese food was with these clean, delicate, and honest flavors. It doesn't need complicated spices. It wins hearts with the sincere taste of premium ingredients, sharing the gentle beauty of Lingnan food culture with the world, and showcasing the incredible diversity of Chinese cuisine.